People think trust is foolish, until the day fear leaves them with nothing else to hold on to. At the edge of Sundapur, where fields met silence and time moved at the speed of sunlight, lived a man most villagers considered strange. His name was Hari. Hari was in his 50s, lived alone, and owned very little, a small mud house, a few acres of land, and a handful of cows. While others chased profit, argued over prices, and rushed to markets at dawn, Hari moved slowly. He spoke softly. He listened more than he talked. Most importantly, he treated his cows as if they mattered. Every morning, he brushed them carefully. He spoke to them while feeding them, not because he expected answers, but because kindness felt natural to him. One cow, a gentle brown one named Moti, followed him everywhere. She was calm, patient, and unusually affectionate. Children loved her. When they cried, she nudged them closer. When they laughed, she stood still as they climbed onto her back. The villagers laughed at Hari. They're animals, they mocked. They don't repay kindness. Hari always answered the same way. Trust isn't a trade. It's a practice. The test one winter, a wealthy merchant arrived in Sundapur. He bought land, promised good prices, and asked villagers to sell to him on credit. At first, everything seemed fine. Then the payments stopped. Weeks passed. Then months. The merchant vanished, leaving behind empty promises and unpaid debts. Anger spread fast. Fear spread faster. Neighbors stopped helping each other. Farmers refused to lend tools. Even family members became cautious. Trust collapsed quietly, not with noise, but with distance. Hari noticed. Not the missing money, the missing warmth. The reminder one evening, as arguments filled the market, Hari placed his basket down and spoke. Not loudly, not angrily, just clearly. You are afraid because you trusted someone who did not deserve it, he said. But you are punishing the wrong people. The villagers followed him to his farm, irritated but curious. Moti stood there, chewing grass peacefully. I trusted her, Hari said, resting his hand on her neck. Not because she promised me anything, but because I treated her well every day. She gives because she is cared for. Trust grows where care exists. Someone snapped back. People are not cows. Hari nodded. Exactly. That's why trust with people requires even more patience.